So para naman po sa mga Leo ha, bigyan ko po kayo ng tinatawag na reading para sa loob po ng 6 months since nag-retrograde. Nagkaroon ng eclipse kahapon, 'di ba? August 12. So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na ano ang dala nito sa inyo for 6 months, okay? So ito po is yung tinatawag eclipse in Leo sa inyong 5th house, 'di ba? Yan, it's all about identity and life purpose, okay? It's about your tinatawag communication, it's about your wealth, 'di ba? It's about your vitality, 'di ba? It's about your inner authority, it's about your shining light, 'di ba? Kumbaga dito, it's like tinatawag, you are the life of the party, 'di ba? You are the leader of them all, 'di ba? Ikaw ang nagpapasaya, 'di ba? It's all about self-development. It's all about tinatawag heart of your being. Ano ang nagpapasaya sa inyo? Ano ang inyong tinatawag central goals, 'di ba? It's something to do about your pride, 'di ba? It's something to do about your self-confidence, 'di ba? Yan. So ibig sabihin nito, ano itong tinatawag pride? Your family, your children, 'di ba? It has something to do about your children, your spouses, 'di ba? Spouse, yan, lalaki man o babae. It's something to do about your career, your money, your wealth, 'di ba? It has something to do about tinatawag na your goals, your purpose, 'di ba? Yan. Ano ang purpose mo? Magkaroon ng tinatawag na tagumpay sa inyong pamumuhay, sa inyong pamemera, 'di ba? So it's more about leading a pack, 'di ba? It's like ikaw ang nangunguna para i-guide ang mga nasasakupan mo, 'di ba? It's like you're a teacher, 'di ba? It's like you are tinatawag na a mentor, 'di ba? Yan, a good father, yan, a good teacher, 'di ba? Kumbaga dito, if you're a preacher, 'di ba? It's like tinatawag spreading the good news of the good words of God, 'di ba? So naririto, it's about your leadership, 'di ba? Yan, it's like tinatawag ikaw ang may dala ng liwanag sa mundo, 'di ba? Tinatawag na nagbibigay ka ng liwanag sa daan para makita ito ng iyong tinatawag mga mahal sa buhay, mga anak, 'di ba? It's like setting a good example to others, especially to your family, siblings, 'di ba? To your asawa, 'di ba? Yan. So nakikita dito yung tinatawag na you're a tinatawag a risk taker, 'di ba? Yan, yung tinatawag na anong tawag dito? It's like a fool, 'di ba? Yan. It's like sabihin na natin, hindi kayo natatakot makipagsapalaran, 'di ba? Open kayo. It's like tinatawag opening yourself, 'di ba? Kung may mga opportunities na magbubukas, you will not tinatawag hindi ka mag-aaksaya ng oras na hindi ito sunggaban. Yan ha. So napakaganda po nito. What is your central goals, 'di ba? It's like tinatawag na ito is kailangang mangyari dahil ito ang gusto ng iyong tinatawag na kaluluwa, 'di ba? Yan, maybe magkaroon ng magandang bahay, 'di ba? Magkaroon ng magandang sasakyan, makapag-ipon ng pera, magkaroon ng tinatawag malusog na pamilya, 'di ba? Yan, ibig sabihin ito, it's like tinatawag magkaroon ng mga kaibigan, 'di ba? Yan. Kumbaga dito ay tahimik, very peaceful, very loving environment. Okay, surroundings, 'di ba? Yan. It's like ikaw yung it's about your identity. What is your identity? You want to build an identity, 'di ba? Anong identity ang gusto mong i-build, 'di ba? As a father, as a lecturer, as a guro, 'di ba? As a tinatawag ko ano man itong identity, gumagawa ka na it's all about building identity, 'di ba? Na makikilala ka ng mga tao, and it's about life purpose. Ibig sabihin nito, kaya ka nasa mundo is because you have a mission, you have a goal, 'di ba? Na ito is kailangang mapagtagumpayan mo, 'di ba? Yan. 'Yun ang nakikita ko po sa inyo. So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na the sun, okay, will ano ito, it's like tinatawag na yung araw ay sisikat ng napaka radiant light, okay, for 6 months para sa inyong tinatawag na anong inyong mga gustong layunin, pangarap makuha sa buhay. Yan ha. So magkakaroon kayo ng success, 'di ba? Yan, because you are governed by the sun. Yan ha. Kung kaya ito ibig sabihin nito maaring a new opportunities will open for you, a new doors opening. There is a journey, there is maaring sabihin na nating makikipagsapalaran kayo, 'di ba? For a new ventures, mayroong paglalakbay, 'di ba? Mayroong tinatawag education, maybe you will go back to school, or yung tinatawag magpapakasal na kayo, magse-settle down. So it's all about tinatawag dating, maaring handa ka ng iwan ang iyong tinatawag bachelor life, bachelorette life, gusto mo nang bumuo ng family, 'di ba? Kumbaga dito gusto mo nang magkaroon ng mga anak, maybe that's your life purpose, magkaroon na ng bahay, bumuhay na ng pamilya, magkaroon ng magandang career, magkaroon ng mga healthy children, 'di ba? Yaan. At ibig sabihin nito gagawa ka na ng tinatawag identity. It's a new identity, 'di ba? Yaan. So that's what I see for you. Maybe ito yung tinatawag, magkakaroon din ng travel. Yaan na. In 6 months, magkakaroon ng travel. Maybe a short trip travel or a travel abroad. Diba? So it's more about tinatawag learning, education, studying, upgrading. Diba? Upgrading your skills, upgrading your tinatawag na talents. Diba? So it's more about promoting yourself. Diba? Opening yourself, 'di ba? Opening yourself to the world, to the public, 'di ba? And then ito yung tinatawag na it's about your leadership. You will shine, okay? You will be seen publicly. And ito yung tinatawag na your health, okay? Your health, your family's health. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na very very healthy. Yan ha. So it's more about tinatawag na there is an accomplishment na mangyayari sa inyo. Okay? It's like merong yugto ng buhay ninyo na matatapos at ito yung tinatawag haharap ka sa bagong yugto ng buhay nyo. Okay? So 6 months po ang tinatawag the length. Yan ha.